elementary batchmates. Ako nga pala si Maria Luisa Toledo, grade 6 section 4. Wishing you all a day full of joy and laughter. And I hope you're enjoying the party right now. Enjoy lang natin ang senior life. No stress, no drama. Happy lang. And keep on smiling. Keep on praying also that our Almighty God will give us more strength and healthy always. Be hopeful and have a positive mind, and always walk to the path of humility. Anyway, I hope this get together will not be the last one. Sana meron pang kasunod para baka sakali maka-attend and makilala ko kayong lahat. Anyway, enjoy and take care sa ating lahat, and God bless us all. Bye!